Today I am going to talk about the Anesthesia Machine Drager, Primus, about calibration and some safety features of the machine. To switch on the machine, you have to press the on-off button. First thing to do to make sure that the machine is connected to the power supply. For that, check whether this LED indicator for power shows green. Now to check whether the battery is functional. Disconnect the power supply and make sure the LED indicator for the battery shows green. Also, the percentage of the battery will be visible on the top right corner of the screen during and after the self-test. Once the machine is on, we can see a checklist that we have to follow one by one. For example, the first one is about gas supply. These solid green LED indicators confirm that the pipeline of oxygen, air, and nitrous oxide are connected and pressure is sufficient. The pipeline pressure can be seen on the main screen. To check the oxygen cylinder, turn the cylinder valve anti-clockwise. The LED indicators should be green. The cylinder pressure can be seen on main screen. A full E-size oxygen cylinder will read 137 bar. The oxygen cylinder has to be changed if the pressure goes down below than half. To check the oxygen flush button, occlude the breathing circuit, activate the oxygen flush valve, and see that the reservoir bag is getting filled. Check the oxygen emergency delivery system, close the EPL valve, occlude the breathing circuit, activate the oxygen emergency delivery system, and see that the reservoir bag is getting filled. The scavenging system has to be switched on from the main panel on the wall, and see that the bobbin behind the anesthesia machine is floating between these two black lines. Once you completed the manual checklist, press Start Self-Test button. The self-test will take around 5 minutes. Once the self-test is completed, the machine automatically goes to the standby mode. The green color here indicates that the machine is fully operable. If it is yellow, machine is conditionally operable. And if it is red, don't use it. The machine should be sent to biomedical. A leak test can be performed between cases. When you change the filter, circuit, or soda lime, test takes around 4 minutes to finish. To put the machine in monitor mode, just to monitor the capnograph. We have 2 ways to do it. You can go from here. Just press the monitor mode, and now we can use it as a capnograph monitor. No gas delivery at all.
The other way to do it, to press the power button once, we are now on the monitor mode. To save the respiratory loops as a baseline, to compare it later, just press the loops button, then press Save Reference. The loop will be saved in blue color with time and values. Alarm messages are color-coded: red, yellow, and blue. Color is according to importance levels. Messages with highest importance are in red color. This means it requires immediate attention. Now coming to the water trap. It has to be replaced every 28 days, the date should be properly labeled. And to remove water from the water trap, attach a syringe to the dark port and aspirate. And make sure it is inserted properly. Check soda lime color. According to the manufacturer, the soda lime has to be changed if 2/3 color has changed. Or if inspiratory CO2 is more than 5 millimeters of mercury or used more than after 4 weeks. There are 2 flow sensors inside breathing system, one for inspiration and one for expiration. To change the flow sensor, we have to unlock the breathing system and pull it out, open the cover using an Allen key to change the flow sensor. Coming to safety features. One of the safety features in this machine is quick release of APL valve, just pull up for quick pressure release. In case of total gas failure, no pipeline supply and oxygen cylinder is empty, we can still use the machine to ventilate the patient. What we have to do is, just remove the reservoir bag. The machine will start suck the ambient air and start ventilating the patient with 21% oxygen. You will be able to adjust the flow and ventilator parameters. As you can see here, there is no gas supply at all. But the ventilator is still working. Now what if the gas supply is okay, but the ventilator suddenly stopped working or complete power supply failure, or in case we got an emergency patient? and the machine was not switched on, we can still ventilate the patient by activating the emergency oxygen delivery system. Just push the button and adjust the flow. We will be able to ventilate the patient, just as we do with the ambubag. And remember, this works even if the machine's still switched off, or even in case of complete machine failure. For safety, always keep the ambubag ready inside the theater and make sure you know the location.